Acrylic yarn gets such a bad rap, but plenty of knitters and crocheters love working with it. There are many reasons to choose acrylic over natural fibers like wool, but acrylic yarns are sometimes considered inferior. So I'm here to set the record straight. Here are 5 myths about acrylic yarn. You might have heard that acrylic yarn is itchy or uncomfortable. That's not true. It used to be a challenge to find acrylic yarn that was nice to work with, but today's yarns are super soft. Lion Brand's acrylic yarns are fabulous to work with, wear, and because they're machine washable, they're perfect for baby projects. You might even mistake them for natural fibers. Want to make something completely one of a kind? Dye it! That's right, you can dye scarves, hats, and mittens made with acrylic just as you could with natural fibers. Use specifically formulated dyes, such as RIT Dye-More, on all synthetic fibers, including acrylic projects. Dye the yarn before you knit or crochet, or dye the finished object when you're done, and you'll have a totally custom piece. Did you know you can felt acrylic yarns? While you won't shrink or felt acrylic projects when you put them into hot water, you can needle felt with acrylic yarn. Needle felting uses a special tool to tangle the barbs of the yarn or roving so they stick together. It's a great way to do free-form designs, embellish store-bought sweaters, or create 3-dimensional objects. Try any of the Lion Brand's acrylic yarns or spinnables for this technique. Many knitters and crocheters worry they won't be able to block their acrylic FOs. But have no fear, you can block them the same way you would natural fibers. Wet blocking and pinning acrylic projects will let them lie flat. Blocking won't make acrylic projects grow, lose shape, but will help your edges uncurl. Some knitters and crocheters will tell you that acrylic yarn pills and bobbles. Okay, this one might not be a total myth, but it's a big misconception that acrylic is the biggest offender. With wear and without proper care, all yarns will pill, even the silk and some cottons. Acrylics pill the same way, especially when they're lightly spun or single plied. So treat your finished objects right. Invest in a fabric comb or pill shaver and remove pills from your favorite sweaters. Just because they're not 100% wool, you shouldn't turn your nose up at any acrylic yarns. They're great for a wide range of projects, from baby blankets to prayer shawls to home decor. What's your favorite thing to make with acrylic yarn? Share in the comments below.